Hello friends, welcome back. Welcome if you're new here. My name is Rebecca and today I am excited to share with you more than 15 of my favorite finds in Dollar Tree for spring of 2025. First up on the list are these facial tissues that come in the round canisters that fit a cup holder in your vehicle. I love this idea. They're so convenient because it just gives you a great place to keep some tissues in your car. And you get 40 in here. It's a 40 count 3-ply tissue, ultra soft, $1.25. You could also just cover it with a sheet of like scrapbook paper, design it to fit your own vehicle if you wanted to, but I just love this concept and so excited to find these in Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree also has this new style of wall decor, and I thought these were kind of pretty, kind of unique, and also somewhat versatile. If you wanted to take off the little tassel on here with the beads, you could add this onto any sort of craft idea that you're doing. And another idea is taking the top or wooden section here and making some coasters. I added a little bit of that cork adhesive sticker onto the back, which just makes them perfect to not scratch your table or your surface. I know Dollar Tree always had round clear glass vases like this. I don't know if they always had two sizes. These are both $1.25, but I was also excited to see that they added a $3 one that's quite a bit larger of this fishbowl vase. These do all stack really nicely, so I just feel like there's so many ways that you could style these or arrange them for centerpieces, for candle holders, for floating candles, for just any type of even a wedding centerpiece arrangement or a holiday decor piece. And speaking of glassware, Dollar Tree has a few new style drinking glassware. These are dishwasher safe, a 13.5 ounce glass with this swirl pattern design. These are pretty nice. They also have like the stemless wine glass style, and then also this one that has a little bit of this like vertical ribbing. And then if you like the plain but you want something a little bit more fun, festive, maybe perfect for your spring entertaining, Easter dinner, tablescape, spring tablescape, they have them with this really light pink color. And so this is great for like Valentine's, spring, Easter. You definitely use them all summer. And I know last year at Christmas time, pink and red seemed like it was getting pretty popular. I'm wondering if it's going to be popular this year or not. But if you're going even with like the pink and red Christmas decor, like these would still fit. So I feel like they're very versatile. And the stemless drinkware also makes a really great candle holder idea. Like I've styled them here on my table centerpiece, and they look so beautiful arranged here in this Pottery Barn inspired centerpiece idea. Dollar Tree regularly has the little skewer sticks for shish kebabs, but 12-piece bamboo skewers for $1.25. I'm pretty sure that we got these in Publix last year for like $4. I think this is a fantastic deal for roasting your marshmallows on, or honestly, you can even cut these up and use them in your crafts and DIYs. If you just need these little wooden dowels, you could get quite a few of them out of here. More than 2 feet long. I would probably say like 30 inches. Now, a lot of you guys know the clear glass cylinder vases that Dollar Tree always has, but they used to have them in a 7-inch and a 9-inch, and now I think they did a 6.5, an 8.5, and I think for $3, they added a 10 or 10.5 inch one. So again, that's really nice too, just like those little bubble vases. The cylinder ones also have the taller option and 3 sizes now, which is really nice. And it's also perfect for putting like one of those smaller cylinder vases down inside and filling it with candies or anything that you want around it, and being able to have your water and your real flowers in the center. Or just if you want to look like you have a bowl of candy, but fill the center with something else and not need quite as much candy to fill it in, even if you're using artificial flowers. Another $5 item. I hate that everything's not $1 anymore. Like I used to love that everything was actually $1 in Dollar Tree. And now the prices just keep on going up. But for $5 in Dollar Tree, honestly, I still have to say, I feel like this is a really good deal. And I was still excited. I got 2 of them, thinking about using them by the front door. This is a really nice, large size planter. And in the bottom, you can see it does have like that water reservoir, the water catcher where the water can drain into it. And then also, when you get enough water collected in there, it'll also like hydrate and water your plants for you from the bottom and water from the roots up, which is great. So this is really nice. I think this is a great size planter. I think they had it in a couple different colors, but honestly, I like this color a lot. I feel like it's very classic, very neutral, and would probably go with anyone's decor, although obviously you could paint them if you wanted to. I think this one is my last $5 item to share with you, but it's a 20-inch topiary. And again, I feel like these can run quite a bit more expensive in other stores. You could probably also take these little eggs out if you want and then just use it for like your spring decor, your summer decor, just as like a boxwood topiary. Last year, I got some frames from Target just like this. I believe they were in 10 by 10, that it was like matted to an 8 by 8. These are, I believe, the identical size. Obviously, they don't have the matting in them, but they actually come with pictures in them. Some of them have nice little quotes that say things, and I think these are fantastic. They are the same color as the ones that I got in Target that I paid quite a bit more for. I think this would be so nice whether you wanted to buy some paper matting or make some to put in here. I think these are nice to make a wall collage with, whether you do 3 by 3 or 4 by 4. Some people like to do all their pictures in black and white or the brown and white tones, or I like to change them out seasonally and then change them to kind of coordinate with whatever our decor is that season. Dollar Tree also had some new mugs for coffee or tea. I love the 2-tone color on here. I think these are so pretty and so nice for $1.25. So I was excited to find these in Dollar Tree as well. And I love that they're dishwasher safe and microwave safe. That's always so important. And something I always look for when I'm getting a mug is something that I can use in the microwave or the dishwasher. Now this is a little bit different, I guess, this hanging ceramic ornament. I found these and I was like, you know what? This is perfect to plan ahead and think if you want to do anything in here for a Christmas decor or Christmas gift idea, you could kind of Mod Podge like a photo on here, or there's so many different ways. I've used these before in some Christmas craft ornaments for our tree. And then another thing that I'm kind of planning ahead for Christmas ornament ideas, Dollar Tree has these wooden ornaments now. I hadn't seen them until just recently, but you could also make coasters out of these. These would be so nice to do a coaster out of, or you know, any type. You could make like a place card setting out of them if you're doing a rustic sort of baby shower, wedding, and really any type of event. They're both 3 for $1. So they had a little larger size and a little smaller size. If you are using them as an ornament, they do come with little twine ornament hangers. So definitely think ahead if you're having any events where these would come in handy to write on, to label anything on a dessert table. Just glue something behind it so you can kind of stand them up as like a food label. I think I showed you guys this one before when I picked it up in my Instagram stories, but this little plastic bubble notebook is very cute. It'd be a great filler for like an Easter basket idea or stocking stuffer type of gift. I love to keep one of these in our kitchen, like junk drawer. And then I also found this little notebook, and this one, I don't know what the material is. It feels like a leather sort of, although I know it's not actually leather. And this one actually is not lined inside, it's just paper, but this would be nice if you're somebody that likes to do sort of like a planner or take notes in a way where you like to draw pictures and just kind of lay things out in a more artistic way. How pretty is this wooden tray? I know I've seen people use these for like wall art or to make a sconce for the wall. I know they say they're not food safe, obviously, but they're just kind of pretty just styled as is, and I feel like they would look really nice styled with some of those like decorative filler balls, or maybe even just some candies on here in an entryway, or maybe even on a coffee table. You could also set some candle holders on here and style it on a coffee table, and I think that would be really pretty as well. Now, this is kind of random, but I wanted to share it with you guys because I felt like this was a good deal. I love to use these lint rollers to get pet hair off our couch. And it's also a great job if you have kids and you want to give them a job that they can do to earn some money or for an allowance or something. Having them just like use the lint roller on the couch or chairs, or maybe even on a bedspread, or honestly, I have used this on my living room carpet, like after vacuuming. And it's insane what it picks up that the vacuum doesn't. I mean, the vacuum gets all the main stuff, but I'm surprised how many times there's like little like human hairs or pet hairs or like lint, thread, things like that just kind of seem to not always get picked up by the vacuum. I know the vacuum picks up more of like the sandier type things like crumbs, but something like a thread, sometimes it like must stick in the fibers of the rug and it doesn't come out as well. And the lint roller picks it all up. It's amazing. Try it. If you have like a low pile rug, try just using the lint roller on it. It's kind of terrifying, like how much it actually picks up. Maybe that's just our house. Maybe we're just very messy, dirty people. I don't know. The stackable 3-tier planter, Dollar Tree usually had them in like that orangey terracotta color. And this is the first year that I'm seeing this kind of taupe grayish color. These come in a 12 pack, I believe, these little plastic planters. It is so affordable. I believe it's a 12 pack for $1.25 in Dollar Tree, and they are great for starting your plants. So anything that you want to start indoors, these are really convenient. And then they're also great if you plan to give away any of your plants, or propagate any cuttings, or start any seeds and you want to give them to family and friends. This will be my first time trying Roselle, which is like it's like the hibiscus that you would get hibiscus tea from, and it's kind of like the Florida cranberry, I guess. So you can make apparently like a cranberry sauce out of it. I've made tea out of them before, and I decided to start my seeds inside just to, make sure that they actually get like a good start, and I know what I'm planting where. So that's always helpful, because so many times I plant stuff outside and then I don't know what it is when it comes up, especially if it's a plant that you haven't planted before and you bought the seeds to try something new and you're not going to recognize it when it comes up. Getting these little planters really helps. You can also plant in little red solo cups if you find that you're getting a better deal with the solo cups. And what I like about these is two things. One, they're quite a bit larger. If you want to put some holes in the bottom, you can start your plants in the red solo cups, but also the little Dollar Tree planter, yes, it fits beautifully right down into the top, and now the water can drain and it collects in the solo cup, and I can set these on my windowsill and no water comes out and ruins anything, and the water just drains right through that little planter into the cup. Perfect. If you need a planter that you can give away, donate, what have you, the 6-pack of this size in Dollar Tree, these are $1.25 for 6 of them. And I think this is also very convenient for starting your plants if you're looking for something that is a little bit larger. Almost forgot to mention these 11-inch nylon cable ties or zip ties. I grabbed these. You get 25 of them in the pack, and I know these are going to come in handy for something. I know you guys know Dollar Tree has flip-flops, but they have some neutral ones with little sparkles on here. And then they also have so many designs. I thought these were really pretty. I thought these were really nice for the $1.25. And they're great to have on hand. Like if you have company, if you have guests coming to visit you and everybody's going to the beach or the pool and somebody like didn't bring their sandals, or they have like nicer sandals and they don't want to take that to the beach. Sometimes it's just convenient to have a cheap pair of flip-flops on hand, ready, that you can be like, here, they're yours.
Last but not least, worth mentioning is the craft paint that Dollar Tree now has. This crafter's acrylic paint in metallic, glow-in-the-dark, neon, and outdoor varieties. Also, these fun Twizzlers and Mike and Ike jumbo erasers. These would be great for Easter basket, Valentine's basket, or even Christmas stocking stuffer gift ideas. And also love this beautiful blue hydrangea dishware set of bowls and plates with the yellow butterflies on it, and also the winter pine one as well if you're looking for something wintry.
Thank you so much for being here, for watching. Let me know, what is your favorite thing that you found in Dollar Tree this year for spring or summer 2025? Whenever you're watching this video, what's your favorite thing that you found in Dollar Tree recently? I would love to know. I'm sure everyone else would love to know down in the comments as well, so we can all keep an eye out for it whenever we're there for any good deals. And as always, I'm wishing you a beautiful, blessed day, and I will see you soon in a new video.